Pop-up boxes in JavaScript. Are they annoying? Yes. Do you want to learn how to code them? Also, yes. My name is John Elder from Codemy.com, and in this video, we're going to look at all things pop-up boxes for JavaScript. Pop-up boxes, or prompts as they are technically officially called in coding, are super easy to do and sometimes useful, sometimes annoying. We'll get into it in this video. I'll show you how to create them, how to use them, how to do all kinds of fun things with them, and it should be a lot of fun. So let's head over to our code. I'm using the Sublime Text Editor in the Git Bash terminal as always. And as always, you can find a link to the code in the pinned comment section below, as well as a link to the playlist with all the other videos in this JavaScript series. So check that out if you haven't so far. So I've got a file, I'm calling it prompts.html. It's our basic starter code that we've been using forever. And before we do this, let me just show you a quick pop-up. So I've got another one of these already built. Let's hit reload and boom, you see this little thing pops up here. Hello, enter your name. I can type in John or whatever. And then here on the screen, it says, hello, John, right? So that's a basic pop-up, just this little annoying pop-up box. And you can make these more fancy. Maybe we'll talk about that later. In this video, we're going to get the basic functionality, learn how to do it, and all that good stuff. So let's head back over to our code, and let's just build one of these out real quick. So I'm going to come down here into the script section that we've got. I've got this document right thing that says hello world. And let's just create a prompt. And usually you're going to do this by creating a variable. So let's say I'm going to call this your name, and we're going to set this equal to a prompt. And then inside of the prompt, we just enter what we want the prompt to say. So I'm going to say, hello there, right? Enter your name, ... So now if we save this and head back over here, and I'm in my C JavaScript directory, and let's run our prompts.html file, it just says, hey there, enter your name. If I type in John and hit enter, it says hello world on the screen, but that's all. It doesn't actually do anything with that information, because right here, we're just document writing out onto the screen, hello world. So if we wanted to print out whatever was entered into this prompt, it gets assigned into this your name variable. So we could say hello, and then maybe go like that. And then maybe another one, an exclamation point, right? So now this will print out onto the screen, this variable that gets assigned from whatever we typed into the prompt. So, all right, let's come back over here and try this again. Hit reload. It says, hello there, enter your name, and I'll type in John. And now it says, hello, John. So very simple, very straightforward. Now, we can do all kinds of stuff with this. We can, in the last video, we looked at creating our own functions, right? So let's create a function real quick. Let's go function. Let's just call it hello. I'm going to pass in name. And then inside of here, I want to document right. Well, no, let's actually just return. What do we want to return? Let's say hello, and then plus name. Well, let's change it up. Let's say hello there, name. And then we want an exclamation point, and that looks good. Here's our function, and here's our prompt. And instead of document writing out this, let's document write out our function. So that's hello. And then we want to pass in whatever your name is, right? Because this is still the variable. We'll pass that into the function. It'll get assigned to this function variable called name. Then we can use it inside of there, return this, and then write everything all out onto the screen. So if we save this and head over here and hit reload, it says hello there, enter your name. And we can type in John. And it says, hello there, John, just like before. So super easy, super useful. Now, if we come back over here, this is kind of annoying, right? Nobody really likes these. If you desperately need to get information from your user, it's much better to create a form on the page itself, right? We could do that. And it, doesn't sort of hijack their browser and do this annoying pop-up thing. Also, this doesn't look great, right? It says file here. It's really, I don't want to say impossible, very difficult to change this little title here, which is silly. You can't really move it around. You could easily create a custom pop-up box if you wanted to, and we'll look at that in another video. Just for a quick and easy prompt, can't really go wrong. Another thing is, if we cancel out of here without typing anything, it says hello there, null. Things keep happening. To get around that, we might use an if statement inside of our function. So inside of here, let's go if. And here we can just call our name function, right? So if name exists, then let's print out hello there, name. Then else, we could create an else statement. So if they didn't type in anything, let's just say hello there with 2 exclamation points, right? So if we save this, head back over here, hit reload, and hit cancel, it says hello there. If we hit reload and type in John, it says hello there, John. So you're definitely going to want to do that because users very well might not type in anything because pop-up boxes are annoying, right? So definitely use this structure, but that's a basic pop-up. It's quick, it's easy, and there's not much to it. So that's all for this video. If you liked it, be sure to smash the like button below, subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up for the YouTube algorithm, and check out codemy.com where you can use coupon code YouTube50 to get 50% off lifetime membership. So that's access to all my courses, over 60 courses, thousands of videos, and the PDFs of all my best-selling coding books. Join over 190,000 students learning to code just like you. My name is John Elder from codemy.com, and I'll see you in the next video.